All right, guys, we're going to do another video real quick. In this one, I wanted to do a follow-up video on the Capital Code Trade Book. Now, this is a tool that's been highly anticipated, something I've been looking forward to releasing for a while, but it's now pretty much done and in production, and I'm opening up the floodgates for other people to check it out. So just basically continuing on from our previous video, I wanted just to get straight to it and show you guys the product. So this right here is the trade book. Now on this website, kind of similar to Options Algo, but with a bit of a twist, I actually give some signals as well, but the main selling point of this software is not the signals, but in fact, it's the ability to use this as an analytics, reporting, and tool just to help traders uh, that want to trade on their own hands. For those people that are struggling with becoming better or who might have had a problem with gambling or maybe have a problem with money management, this tool is perfect. So, as we give this a quick skim over, one of the things that my website does best is giving live analysis, alerts, trend detection, and really just the ability just to take note and track all of your trades that you've made. Um, as you guys will see in just a minute, I have goal tracking, a journal, live market data that you guys can see during OTC hours and off of OTC hours within the charts. I give you guys very advanced analytics. Like, watch, you guys will see in a minute. Most people might be pretty surprised. Um, Now, with this, what comes with the package that you guys will see in a bit is insights, live market data, premium trading tools, and actually, secret, you guys will actually get a bigger discount working with this if you guys still keep options algo as well. Now, I price this out currently at $600 a year, but for my subscribers, drop me a message. I can give you guys a discount code to this as well. As mentioned, this comes with everything I've been saying so far: analytics, the tools, support, insights. Watch, when you guys get into the platform, you'll be pretty amazed. Now, a little bit about me personally. I've been trading for a few years now. And I used to be at a pretty terrible place where I would trade trading as if it was a gamble. I would play with it. I would lose out my personal money. I couldn't afford my bills. It was tough. But it really just took time for me to network and really just get ahead of myself, because you have to realize trading is real money. When you get in here and you start losing 50, 100, 1,000, $10,000 at a time, that's not something that you can just magically snap back in your hands. It's real money. So use a tool like this, and you'll be able to get reports and track how you're doing and become more consistent with or without a bot. So as you guys will see in most of my videos, even if I don't get a signal, I can still tell ahead of time where the market's moving, what's going on, and the best move to make before they even give me that signal. So without further ado, let's get straight into it and I'll show you guys what the dashboard looks like. Let's go ahead and sign in. So right now I have this synced up with my pocket option. Let's see, 611.51 and 15% trade. All right, so I have the same thing set here, 611 and 15% risk. So I'll try to keep it condensed as possible, but you guys better buckle in. Now, right here, you guys should get pretty used to the new trade section. Here is, you'll see a reflection of your trade amount, which is 15%, the profit percentage as set with pocket option, which is 92% for most of the best ones on OTC, and then the option of win or loss. When you're making the trades in pocket option, you come here and you click win or loss after every trade. And on the right hand, you guys can see it gives you a win rate performance out of 100 and a goal tracker. So we're going to make a short-term goal to just get to $1,000, which isn't insane, but this is a few days worth of income for a lot of people. So let's just do a quick session. As we can see, it's going down, so I'm going to do a down signal. I won that one, so we'll do win. And out of one trade, of course, it's 100%. We had to do at least 2 or 3 of them, and it starts to give me more data. I'll go ahead and do another down trade. There we go, won that one as well. I think I'll just go until I lose. Won that one as well. And when you look at that, it says the remaining amount is only 98.77. But I'll go ahead and do this last one anyway. Let's see, there you go. Kind of got ahead of myself, lost that one. So that's actually good. I wanted to show what that looks like. Let's just try and get to that $1,000 goal. What I'll do here, actually, I will adjust this to, you see, as you start going up, I set it to you can't go more than 50%. I don't want you guys to lose your money. Let's just do 30%. Save that. Do the same thing here. And I think this is going to actually start settling downward. Let's wait till it jumps back up some. And 3, 2, 1. Look at that, lost that one too. Definitely don't get cocky, you guys. But hey, I'm gonna just keep it live. This is how we roll. Let's do another one. Actually, let's switch to another one. Want that one. All right, so I'm gonna try and keep it short for you guys so we can just hurry up and wrap up this video. Want that one. Only 126 to go. There we go. So there you go. Reach the balance, reach the end goal. Out of all the trades I've made, I'm up $502. The balance is 11407. Same here. Win rate is 75%. It took 8 trades. So that's awesome. Save the session. And I'll save this as YouTube video session. Today is 06/03/2025. All right. So, all right. So let's go to the second part here. When you guys go over the session that you just took, you go to the Sessions tab, look at what you saved, hit View, and look at that. This is way better than Pocket Option. Look at that. It shows first trade, second trade, third. Then I started to lose, and I got it back. I've made 2 losses, 6 wins. Here's every single trade and the time I did it at and everything. And you guys can generate a PDF. So you guys can take this with you, print it out, save it on your taxes, whichever. Let's go ahead and close that out. Let's see. One of the other things I add in here is the ability to load up previous sessions to save notes. Let's see what else. And see, this is the other part I wanted to add in. With my software, I actually have the ability to get signals that's based on live market data. So this is stuff that you can't fake. This is stuff that you otherwise can't change. See, GBP USD, that's been shooting up for a while. the difference between this tool and options algo is this one you can do charting. I wish the market was open for me. Oh my God, I'll be making so much money. But this is where you could actually do, you can set take profits, you know, stop losses. You can keep the trading going on here. Let's see. And the last part of the system I want to go over with you guys is the profile part. So out of the entire time I've had my account within my system here, I've made $11,370, 86% win rate. My best win streak was 18 trades in a row won, and that was on this goals MF session I made. Here's a whole overview of everything here. And see, look, on the previous video I started to record for this, my worst session was negative $20. Like, come on now. I got this. And you guys can actually see, you can download and create social images. So you can share this on YouTube with your friends, whichever. And so there you go. That's pretty much everything in terms of the trading dashboard. We're adding in more currency pairs soon. I'm making more of like a basic course so you can learn how to use this through our tutorial here. But if you guys want to check it out, if you guys want access, shoot me a message over on Telegram where I can maybe grant a day trial to this. For anyone that's seriously interested and want real support, you guys will have to go ahead and get the plan. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead, withdraw this, go home. If you guys want to show support, in the next video, I'll show you guys my website and you guys can do donations, and I'll have a set schedule where I can start going live and doing more videos. But yeah, without further ado, thanks for watching. Love y'all. See you.